What if World War III started today? Many thought that the Cold War ended in 1991 when the Soviet Union collapsed, but the threat of a large nuclear conflict still continues, even today. First off, this will not be a conventional war, basically saying there won't be soldiers fighting, at least directly. It will be a very large nuclear exchange, basically humanity killing. Number two, it doesn't start with pressing the big red button immediately. There are a lot of factors that go into this kind of conflict starting. Now, many of you may ask, why would a nuclear war start after the Cold War ended? The Soviet Union's gone. However, there are still thousands of nuclear weapons still in existence in the hands of three big beasts: the United States, Russia, and China. Other countries such as Iran and North Korea are still developing their nuclear program, and it just so happens they're not friendly towards the United States. But the question is, what would happen if World War III started today? Many scenarios exist that involves a third world war happening, such as Israel being attacked by Iran with nuclear weapons, Pakistan using its nuclear force against India. It could even be that North Korea invades South Korea. However, the most popular one, it starts with Iran attacking Israel with nuclear weapons. Iran may not have a nuclear arsenal yet, but may have one in the near future. So let's start with our scenario. On March 22nd, 2015 at 3:05 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the internet lights up with word that Iran has the bomb. Just 10 minutes later, 2 nuclear explosions take place in Jerusalem and Tel Aviv. Minutes later, President Obama says that Iran will face immense consequences for the attack. The president keeps his promise. Less than 20 minutes later, the United States Navy's Ohio class of ballistic missile submarines is deployed to the Persian Gulf. Minutes later, 2 Trident ballistic nuclear missiles take off from their silo tube. Iran, being that it does not have long-range ballistic missiles to strike the United States, it launches once more at Israel. Israel, however, shoots down many of the missiles with its Iron Dome missile defense system. Russia and China put their nuclear silos and submarines on full alert. The world is poised for a third world war. The United States conducts even more nuclear strikes on Iran and conducts additional strikes on Russia, China, and North Korea to kill off their enemies. Russia and other countries conduct a retaliatory strike against the U.S., killing nearly 100 million Americans. So to wrap up, this was what it might look like if World War III actually happened today. The following is a simulation of what World War III might look like.